Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center with another movie here. So we got Abilio. Abilio is a painter, right? Painter all day. He paints. How long have you been painting for? How many years? Long time?
10 years.
10 years. So yeah. So he comes in here with, 2 times a day he has headaches. So he has a lot of tight muscle. His posture, one thing we notice with his posture is the neck is forward, the rounded shoulder, and so all the pressure is in here, and there's no movement from here to here. So what we're going to do today, we're going to adjust everything upper. This is his first time ever getting adjusted, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so he's been to other doctors. They gave him medication. Unfortunately, none of it has worked. Hopefully, once we start getting in here and start fixing his posture, that's going to get better. And he saw us on Facebook, so he's a Facebook follower. So let's go face down for me. I already gave him an autograph. No, I'm just kidding. All right, sir. Move down a little bit towards your feet, sir. Perfect. You ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Whew. That is tight. All right, let's go face up for me. Was that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Good. Ready, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Relax as much as you can. Okay. Ooh, man, that is tight. Your ears are red, and I didn't even do this side yet. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
God.
Remember what I told you? Look at your ears. You'll see in the movie soon. I'm gonna work on a little bit on your muscle real quick here.
Oh, man.
Yeah. So that's why you're getting these headaches. Nothing is coming up. No blood is
Yeah.
coming up. It's all tight in there. And all day long, you're painting and working. And so what we got to do is we're going to have to basically change the posture. And that's going to be
All right.
that's what's going to fix, I think, the headaches. Not medication. It's a physical problem, not a lack of medication problem. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Remember I was telling you the attachments?
Yeah.
Yeah. One more on this side. So what we're doing now is just kind of try and loosen up some of these muscles from being stretched all day long. You okay, bud?
Yeah. Feels good.
Good, good. All right, so if you're on Facebook, you're watching me and you're having headaches, you're sitting there, your neck is hurting, come on in, we could help. A lot of people could sit there and they don't do anything about it, and they don't know there's something to do. If your posture has gone forward, you're in a computer all day, you're painting, your posture, you're playing on your iPhone all day, playing Pokemon. Come on here, we could help. All right.